Hey everyone, this is RidinWithJ coming to you with another tutorial. Today we're going to be installing rear spool stands or paddock stands, whatever you want to call it, on my 2018 Z900. It's a very simple install. So pretty much you're just going to be putting one of these into the hole here so that you're able to put it on a stand, so the weight of the bike is off the rear wheel. So if you're ever in need of doing some servicing or cleaning your chain, it's a lot easier. It's very simple. So you have a threaded bolt which will go in between the stand spool itself and thread directly to the bike. So what I'm going to be doing here is just adding a little bit of Loctite onto the thread, just so that none doesn't back off. And then you're just gonna screw it right into the hole and tighten it up. You always want to start it by hand, just so you don't cross thread anything. Just using a drill to speed up the process. Once it gets a little tight, you can grab a wrench, ratcheting wrench, and tighten it up the rest of the way. Doesn't need to be crazy tight. And that should do it. So it's gonna be the exact same thing on the opposite side, so take care, guys.